Hey, good morning. I'm Peter Fanowski. I'm the business segment manager for the Aftermarket. And you are here today at PDC Machines, just outside of Philadelphia, in our Aftermarket department. So we are the world leader in free diaphragm compression technology, and we serve the hydrogen mobility market, the industrial gas segment, and other gaseous compression technology needs from our customers that range throughout the United States, expanding to China, Korea, Japan, Australia, and continue into other markets as well. So here at the Aftermarket, one of the key business segments is ensuring that we have the right parts in our facility ready to go for customer needs. Now, everyone thinks Aftermarket is just about having parts ready to go, but for us, it's more about ensuring that we have the right parts, that if we have them available, ensuring that we're providing the right components to the various individuals and the customers that need it, and also supplying the service around it, right? That's field service, that's also technical support, technical service, and walking customers through a problematic component of their compressor. I like to think Aftermarket being the most important part of our business is because when those units are running in the field, it's critical that not only that we ensure that we have the maximum uptime and reliability, but also that we are ensuring that our customers are getting the right components they need to continue production and reduce their lead times and downtimes. Yeah, so with any Aftermarket business, you really have a proactive and a reactive approach. And so reactive affords us customers that are coming to you with immediate needs. But the other part of the business is the proactive component. And so with Industrility's platform, we've been able to really integrate all of our assets into the platform and have available bill materials, have available documentation, really at customers' fingertips when needed. And that Industrility platform, which we call MyPDC, has been the most beneficial for us when customers are in an urgent need of a component, a product, or looking up and reviewing documentation, possibly loading trip reports, using the timeline feature for logging in service needs. And that aspect of Industrility, working with the Industrility team, has really cultivated a platform for us that allows us to interact and be more close with our end users and our customers. I think one of Industrility's larger strengths is their flexibility to add additional functionality through small apps or small services. For example, we added a QR code application that allows us to digitally track our compressors through using the QR code through your phone. But the great thing about Industrility is they keep developing and they continue developing using AI technology, using customer feedback to kind of create new applications that are necessary for not only our technology, but for other suppliers. The team is demonstrating themselves as being a real knowledge center for us, not from just an aftermarket, but really from a process setting standpoint. They've kind of guided us through the procedure where we've combed our asset information. They arrived with all the templates that are needed for inputting it into the system. And they've been incredibly beneficial and not only functioned as a technology partner, but a little bit of a consultant as well in how we approach and think about the aftermarket.